love corn?
What did you say?
I love corn.
You do.
Mommy, that corn?
This one's Mommy's.
You have your own corn.
Oh, corn.
Yeah, there's still some on there. You see it all?
Mommy, what?
2 colors.
Mommy, have white?
Yeah.
Do you love corn?
Mm-mm. I like corn. I love corn.
Yeah.
I love corn.
Yes. Is it delicious?
Yes. I love corn.
Yes.
I love corn.
Yes.
Come. You like mommy?
Yeah, see?
Daddy? I love corn. I love corn. I love corn.
Yeah. What else do you love?
Sister,
What?
mommy.
You love Mommy?
Yes. I love daddy. I love Maya.
You love Maya.
What else do you love?
Do you love,
Corn?
I love corn. I love corn.
Oh, nice. That's very nice, Maya.
I love corn. I don't eat. I love corn. I love.
You got a steak to eat now. You can't eat
I
it.
know.
I love corn. I love corn. I love corn. I love corn.
Yeah.
Delicious.
Holy crap.
Tell us what else you love.
Corn and daddy and mommy.
Oh, thank you.
Corn and Daddy and Mommy. Wow.
Thank you.
It's nice
I
of you.
love corn.
Yeah.
She's hugging and kissing corn.
I love corn. I love corn. I love corn.
She's like, I love it.
Son, look! I saw it!
Yeah.